Hello everybody, it's Derek Freeze, and I apologize for the awful video quality. This phone is not a great thing to use for making videos. But I've had this weird issue with the Sears recently. It's a walking limits issue with the down limit. We're gonna open it first, and I'll show you what the issue is when we do the down cycle. And it works just fine going open. Oops. I love that relay buzz. But when the door gets to the down position, yeah, this might be the worst case of walking limits that I've ever seen. I can't imagine that's too good for the motor or capacitor. And sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. So we're gonna see if it does it again. That scraping you heard is the door scraping against the water seal and the aluminium plate over here. See, the vinyl trim here is just kind of going away, and then yeah, you can see where it's scraping, and that's just because this door is so bent up along the side. So you can see how knackered that is, and when it gets down to these lower sections, it just scrapes. I think I should probably try to fix that. Is it gonna stop this time? Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever had it be that bad before. Also, I don't remember the carriage going that far over. Normally it's back a couple more inches. I think I'll go ahead and fix this. I'm wondering how many times during this video my head will be in the way. I think I'll actually have this as a two-part video. But, oh geez, I'm so hungry. We're gonna drop this case and adjust these limits. Actually, first I should probably unplug the opener. And also get the proper ratchet. This is 3/8. There's 4 screws on here. This isn't really a how-to, it's just a vlog. That shouldn't be there. lot of belt shavings in here. Belt's starting to go. So the limits are on the other side. You won't really be able to see them, but there is a little metal rod that kind of goes over top of it. Be careful not to touch any of these things. There should be a capacitor in here that looks like it's almost on its way out. Not good. I should probably replace that capacitor. I have a flat blade around here somewhere. I'd say first, before we do any of that, short out this capacitor. If I can even get it to where the two things touch. Jeez. That capacitor's gonna need to be replaced. I don't even think I have any way to prop the camera up over on this side, so you won't even really be able to see the limit assembly. This cord reel is spoiled. You just take this down, it needs to be repaired. So, close farter, I want it to go back a couple turns. Oh geez, this is incorrect. Ugh. Thankfully there's a nut on there as well. Geez, that idler pulley's not looking good either. Hell yeah, first try. I'm gonna need a stupid extension. Ouch. Too many bloody cords up here. So I want to turn that the other way. So that unscrews, that slides over. To go down, that's one way. I need a power cord. I reached a remote. Up limit's perfect. That's copacetic. Do a couple more runs. I don't know why I'm using this when there's when I can just press the button on the remote receiver. So use the remote receiver. I use this remote to run it down purposely because that receiver stays on for about a half second. And that's a half second I can enjoy the sound of the loud relay in this thing. I'm going to unplug this again and we're going to throw this case back on. First, the witch, I'm going to be responsible and put some tools away. Is there even like a good place I can set this ladder? Now, if I put this case on and then it starts acting up again, that's going to be very annoying. Oh, jeez. Freaking all this belt goop, actually. I don't know where that screwdriver went. Oh, we're just putting the case on. I don't plan on touching anything inside of here. There we go. Ouch. So dusty up here. Only 12 minutes. No, 13 minutes. Not to be 13 minutes. Just for this repair. Not bad. Well, this works. There, I fixed it. Not a how-to video, obviously. I already showed how... Oh, I could have propped it up on this thing.